In August 2005, a storm unlike anything the United States had seen in decades began forming over the Atlantic. It started small, but within days, it would become one of the nation's most devastating disasters. This is the story of Hurricane Katrina. Katrina first crossed Florida as a Category 1 hurricane, but once it reached the warm waters of the Gulf of Mexico, everything changed. The storm intensified rapidly, growing into a massive Category 5 system with winds nearing 175 miles per hour. Forecasters warned that New Orleans was in danger, a city sitting below sea level, protected by levees that were never designed for a storm this strong. Nearly 1 million people evacuated, but thousands stayed behind, unable to leave or unsure of what was coming. On the morning of August 29th, Katrina made landfall in Louisiana as a Category 3 hurricane. The winds were destructive, the storm surge overwhelming. But the true disaster was only beginning. Levees across New Orleans began to fail, one after another. Water rushed into the city, flooding streets, homes, and entire neighborhoods. Within hours, nearly 80% of New Orleans was underwater. People were stranded on rooftops, trapped in attics, and searching for safety wherever they could find it. Rescue crews worked non-stop by boat and helicopter as the scale of the crisis grew. By the time the waters finally receded, Hurricane Katrina had taken more than 1,800 lives and caused billions in damage. But the human impact, the stories of loss, survival, and rebuilding, would shape the city for generations. Hurricane Katrina wasn't just a storm, it was a turning point, one that revealed the strength of nature and the resilience of the people who rebuilt after it.